Sa ating bida ka, mula umpisa hanggang sa final episode, tinutukan po ng mga maraming Pinoy sa gitna silangan ang Ramadan teleserye na Sak Al Bambu, kasabay ng pagtatapos ng buwan ng Ramadan.
Bukod sa tinaguriang indie princess na si Mercedes Cabral, hanga ang buong production team sa husay ng mga Pinoy. Mula Dubai, ibida mo yan, Maxi Santiago.
Usap-usapan pa rin ngayon ang pagtatapos ng Sak Al Bambu o The Bamboo Stalk na pinagbidahan ng tinaguriang indie princess na si Mercedes Cabral. Hango ito sa nobela ni Saud Al-Sanusi na nanalo ng International Prize for Arabic Fiction noong 2013. Istorya ito ng pag-iibigan ng Pinay na kasambahay at Kuwaiti na hinadlangan ng pamilya ng lalaki. Bukod kay Mercedes, hinangaan din ang pag-arte ng Korean-Vietnamese actor na si Won Ho Chong na gumanap na anak ni Mercedes sa teleserye na hindi matanggap ng kapamilyang Kuwaiti.
Naku, ang galing-galing niya talaga. Sana makapunta siya dito sa Kuwait kasi napakaraming naghihintay sa kanya dito. Isa na ako doon, syempre.
Anong nalaman ko kung gaano kagaling mag-Arabic, kung gaano siya magaling pala siya na comedian, parang na-inlove na rin akong manood. Parang nagiging, na-admire ko na rin yung personality niya.
Hangang-hanga naman si Won Ho, maging ang executive producer ng Sak Al Bambu sa galing ng Pinoy actors.
Everyone cast from the Philippines has been an amazing actor or actress.
The Filipino actors were very professional and very prompt and really were amazing from the day of from the pre-shooting, the preparatory phase to the actual shooting. Namely, Mercedes Cabral have been praised in the last few days because she appeared already in the series. There were a lot of praising of her role and her performance and her portrayal of Josephine, the character Josephine in the series.
Hindi lamang sila humanga sa Pinoy cast, kundi pati sa ganda ng Pilipinas.
We filmed in Biak na Batu caves, we filmed in parks, we filmed in the streets, we filmed in jeepneys, we filmed on mountains and rivers and lakes and bridges. So there's a lot of visual beauty that has been imported from the Philippines to our screens.
I love the place. I love the Philippines. I love the people there. They are very amicable, pleasant, hardworking, and very professional. I definitely will be back, but for pleasure this time, not for work.
Dahil sa tagumpay ng teleserye, may plano ng isa pelikula ito.
I've started initial discussion between me and the writer, the novel writer, on the approach to take, the best approach to take in telling the story in the movie and about the timing of this movie.
Para kay Won Ho, isang malaking karangalan para sa kanya ang pagganap bilang anak ng isang Pinay.
I'm extremely proud to be able to play a half Filipino guy in this drama series, and although I'm not Filipino, but I hope that I have honored you and spoken on your behalf in a good way, and I really hope that this series changes the lives of a lot of Filipinos who live and work in the Gulf or who live outside of their countries to support their families. I salute you wherever you are in the world. As Filipinos, you are the most friendly and family-oriented and amazing people. Regardless of hardships, you're still smiling, family-oriented, and very friendly. And I tell you, maraming salamat.
Maxi Santiago, ABS-CBN News, Dubai.